Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm doing a role-playing video in Bloxburg. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If you guys in that time, make sure you comment down below. Role-playing squad. Okay, so right now I'm just doing my laundry. I'll just tell you guys a little bit of what I'm going to be doing in this video today. Today I'm going to be a little baby and I'm probably going to be crying on the streets near the pizza shop and trying to get somebody to somebody to adopt me. Well, let's get into it. So first I'm going to customize my character and make myself a little baby. But I don't really want to change my outfit, guys. And the only sad thing is I also don't want to crawl all the way to the pizza shop. So, who the heck is at my door? Oh no, people. People! I'm crying. Okay, so yeah, today that's what we're gonna be doing. And in the video, I might be growing up by age. Maybe, I don't know. So that's basically gonna be my video. I wish I was Stanky, but I'm not. I'm pretty good with my hygiene and energy, but fun. I don't really care about my fun and hunger, but oh, I'm a little small baby trying to go to the pizza shop, so somebody will hopefully adopt me. So talking about that, let's get into the role-playing video. As soon as I get to the pizza shop, I'll get back to the video. Okay guys, we made it. So what's gonna happen is basically I'm gonna be in the middle of the road and whatever's gonna happen. Baby food, baby food. I want my baby food. Baby food.
Give mommy the bowl.
Okay.
Perfect.
Playtime. I wanna play. Yesterday, what did I not play with? I didn't play with octopus. I wanna play with you now. I wanna play with blocks. Okay, blocks are boring. I don't wanna play with. Mommy, I don't wanna do this anymore. I wanna play outside on the playground.
We're gonna have to go somewhere, okay? Actually, we're gonna take a walk.
Do people not know about me?
No,
Am I gonna be famous?
no, practically not the reason.
They get me out of here. I don't wanna go swim. I don't want to
Go in there until I'm ready, okay?
Fine.
Please don't cry. It's okay. I just need to go in here and get ready.
I don't want to be.
Okay. Okay. I think we are. Let me just. I'm gonna read the news. It says it's gonna be kinda nice out today, but it doesn't say it's gonna be nice out. Woo! Woo! Maybe I should order some hamburgers. Okay, by the time that we get back, I'll be good. Ooh, what the heck is that? Let me close this door and go get her from out of the playpen. Oops, gotta turn this off. What the heck did I do? Oh my god, what am I doing? Okay, let's go get her out of the playpen. Oops. Hey! No, come here. We're gonna go on a walk. We're gonna go on a walk.
What time?
But you have to be in a stroller, okay? Come here. Come here. Do you want to get an umbrella just in case?
If it rains, yeah. Nobody wants to do
Okay,
that.
let me get you your milk bottle. Actually, you know what? Here, I'm gonna give you your milk bottle, okay? Don't drink it yet. You're gonna have this in case if you need it.
But what if I'm really thirsty? Can I drink it?
Hold on, I just...
It's raining, Mommy.
Oh, it's gonna take my umbrella. Hold on. Hold on, stay there. I gotta go get my food. Whoops.
Okay, what?
Thank you, lady. Oh, get back inside.
Well, no, what's this?
No, get back inside.
I want to show you. Well, it's fine, no. It's fine.
Did you drink your milk? No, don't.
Oh, I didn't, Mommy. You should not to. Do you want me to?
No.
But good.
You're not gonna get a hamburger.
Uh-huh.
You're gonna have your baby food.
But I don't
No.
want hamburger.
No. Do not take my hamburger.
Am I the only child here?
No, there's actually one more.
Does everybody know about me?
You could drink your milk, sweetie.
I don't want to. Fine.
Oh my god! Give me the dirty dish, please.
Okay, Mommy. Here you go.
Thank you. Wait! Be careful. Eat it in really small bites.
I eat it. That was so good,
Give
Mom.
Mommy the dish.
Okay.
I'm gonna get you.
Oh, you caught me. Can I drink it?
Yes.
In.
Oh my god, you're in the cupboard!
Okay, guys. I'm gonna continue the video when we're done with this little hack or something. Okay, guys. So we just figured out that hack. That was a crazy thing that just happened. But I still have to give Mommy my dirty dish. I'm using an umbrella. Open. You see it, Mommy? Isn't it big? Will I get wet though? Will I get wet?
No.
What is that, Mommy?
Those are my fireworks.
I never seen something that pretty before in my life. Okay, guys, I'm so sorry. My dog is barking right now, but just try to ignore it, okay?
And guys, that is also my cafe. I'm still not done with the top.
Yeah, she's making 2 floors. How awesome. If you guys join Bloxburg and you see TigerGirl25 in your server, make sure to go to her cafe. It is amazing. Well, let's continue with the game. But back from the walk. Okay, guys, that was it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys next time. Bye.